Want to upgrade your looks fast? Your best version doesn't depend only on genetics. With small habits and smart strategies, you can take your face, body, style, and confidence to the next level. This is what we call Looksmaxing. Many people don't even know what Looksmaxing actually is, so let me explain. Looksmaxing means enhancing your facial features, adopting some basic grooming habits, working on your physique, and using your dressing sense the right way to bring your looks to their maximum potential. The truth in today's world is that if you don't look good, people often don't even want to talk to you, no matter how good your heart is. Now, this doesn't mean your face is bad. It simply means that if you already look good, the real question is, how can you look great? I've divided this video into 6 steps, and trust me, without step 4 and step 6, Looksmaxing is impossible. So watch till the end. The first strong pillar of Looksmaxing is skin. Your clear and healthy skin instantly upgrades your overall appearance. No matter how good your hairstyle or how stylish your clothes are, if your skin looks dull or full of acne, your entire impression weakens. The first step is to follow a proper skincare routine. It's not rocket science, just 3 simple things. First, wash your face in the morning and at night to remove dirt and excess oil. Then apply a moisturizer that keeps your skin hydrated and fresh. And third, sunscreen. It's the most underrated yet the most powerful product. Sunscreen protects you from premature wrinkles, tanning, and skin damage. The younger and healthier your skin looks, the more naturally attractive your appearance becomes. But bro, creams and face washes alone won't work. Your lifestyle directly impacts your skin. Drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily, reduce junk food, and include fruits and nuts in your diet. They repair your skin from the inside. The most underrated factor? Proper sleep. 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep gives your skin a natural glow. Follow this routine for just 1 month, and you'll notice a visible difference yourself. The second strong pillar of Looksmaxing is grooming. Let's start with your hair and beard. Your hairstyle can make you look instantly attractive or just average, but blindly copying someone else's hairstyle is the biggest mistake. Every face shape suits a different hairstyle, so choose one that matches yours, and maintaining it is equally important. Getting a haircut once and forgetting about it isn't a smart move. Get regular haircuts every few weeks or months depending on your hair growth. Also, follow a proper hair wash routine. Use a mild shampoo and conditioner 2 to 3 times a week. You don't need to shampoo daily. It strips away your natural oils. Clean and healthy hair always looks more attractive. Now let's talk about the beard. Keeping it properly trimmed is extremely important because a messy or overgrown beard makes you look untidy, while a neat beard makes you look sharp and confident. If your beard doesn't grow well or is patchy, then a clean-shaven look will suit you better. But grooming isn't limited to just hair and beard. The small details create the real impression. Don't let your eyebrows get wild, keep your teeth clean and white, and always trim your nails short and neat. And also, never ignore hygiene. The next most important pillar is your body. A fit and healthy body doesn't just make you attractive, it completely takes your confidence, energy, and posture to the next level. Let's first talk about fat and muscle. Too much fat makes you look loose and lazy, while lean muscle makes you look sharp, active, and full of energy. It's very simple. Lose fat and build muscle. And for that, going to the gym isn't necessary. Basic bodyweight exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and planks are the best way to start. These may look small, but with regular practice, your chest, arms, legs, and core naturally become strong and defined. When your body is lean and muscular, your facial features and body lines automatically look sharper and more aesthetic. That's why body aesthetics is considered a direct part of Looksmaxing. Fitness isn't just about building muscles, it's equally important for your posture. If you keep walking with a hunched back, no matter how strong your body is, your confidence and personality won't look powerful. But when your posture is straight and open, your presence and personality leave an instant impact on people, without you even saying a word. Now you must have understood that your body isn't just for appearance, it's a major game changer in Looksmaxing. The first thing people notice in Looksmaxing is your facial features. Your jawline, cheekbones, and overall face structure define your attractiveness. A sharp jawline instantly gives you a strong and masculine look. If it's not naturally strong, it's simple. Reduce body fat, and as your fat decreases, your jawline automatically becomes more visible. Besides that, the tongue posture technique, resting your tongue on the roof of your mouth, enhances your face structure over time. Hydration and a clean diet are also crucial because excess salt and junk food make your face look bloated. One underrated thing is expressions. Confident eye contact and a natural smile instantly upgrade your face. Ignoring the role of style in Looksmaxing is the biggest mistake. Even if your skin is clear, your jawline is sharp, and your body is fit, if your style is weak, your overall impression will still feel incomplete. Let's first talk about the fit of your clothes. Baggy or loose outfits make you look average, while slim fit or tailored fit clothes highlight your body and make you look naturally sharp. Also, pay attention to colors. Always choose clothes that match your skin tone. But style isn't just limited to clothes. Your presence decides how noticeable you are. Your walk, eye contact, posture, and confident body language instantly make you look better. Style polishes your appearance, and your presence completes your Looksmaxing journey. We've now covered skin, hair, fitness, style, and facial features. But there's one factor that truly drives your looks, energy, and masculinity, and that's testosterone. This hormone helps you develop a deep voice, muscle growth, beard growth, and naturally glowing skin. It also boosts your confidence and motivation. In simple words, the healthier your testosterone levels, the stronger and more presentable your overall appearance will be. But the problem is that junk food, a sedentary lifestyle, late-night phone use, and stress all lower it. The result? You start feeling tired, your energy drops, and your face looks dull and lifeless. The good news is, boosting it naturally is actually simple. Include protein-rich foods, healthy fats, and a balanced diet. Do basic strength training exercises like squats, push-ups, and pull-ups daily. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and try to reduce stress. Also, stay away from alcohol and cigarettes. They're the biggest enemies of testosterone. By following these simple habits, your energy, confidence, facial appearance, and overall presence will automatically level up. So this was your complete guide to Looksmaxing. Remember, it doesn't depend only on genetics. By focusing on your skin, hair, body, facial features, style, and testosterone, you can take your looks and confidence to the next level. Start small, follow a routine, adopt healthy habits, and keep working on yourself. The results will start showing automatically, and soon you'll notice people paying more attention to you. Remember, Looksmaxing isn't just about appearance. It's about strengthening your personality, energy, and overall presence. Now you know how small, smart steps can bring a massive difference. So get up, start working on your health, style, and personality, and unlock your best version. And hey, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.